my name's Nicholas King and I'm the founder of Thinking Mechanics. And what do I do to make Monday different? Well, they say that what you do with your body really leads what you do with your mind, and your mind leads your body. So on a Monday morning I get up and I move. I either run, I do a workout, I go to boxing classes early in the morning. Always sets the week off well. The other thing I do is something I used to do when I was a sales manager in a call centre. I used to call it Post-it Note Friday. I used to leave a Post-it note for the staff members. So when they used to come in on a Friday morning, they used to get these amazing notes about what they'd done well during the week. I have actually implemented that as Voicemail Monday. So I send a message via text, but it's a voice message to an individual, telling them why they're brilliant and what they should be doing, and they should keep going with what they're doing. And I've had messages back about how that has just made someone's week, someone's month. And the great thing about that is it's a two-way thing, because it makes you feel brilliant at the same time. That's what I do on a Monday morning.